Let me ask you something uncomfortable. You make $100,000 a year, and right now you're broke, not next month, right now. Here's what fascinates me. Research from the Federal Reserve shows that nearly 40% of Americans earning over six figures live paycheck to paycheck. That's not a money problem. That's a wiring problem. Your brain was never programmed to build wealth. It was programmed to consume. Today, I'm going to reprogram that. And by the end of this video, you'll finally understand where your money disappears and how to stop it permanently. Here's what nobody tells you about $100,000. You don't earn $100,000. You earn about $72,000. Here's the math. Federal taxes take roughly 15%. State taxes another 5 to 7%. Social Security and Medicare 7.65%. Before you buy a single grocery, before you pay a single bill, you've already lost almost 30%. This is what economists call the tax wedge, the invisible gap between what you earn and what you actually keep. The rich don't earn more, they keep more. Remember that. This is the silent killer. Psychologists call it hedonic adaptation. You get a raise and within 3 months your brain normalizes it completely. New apartment, nicer car, better restaurants, and suddenly you're making more than ever but saving exactly zero. Harvard's study on wealth found that lifestyle inflation is the #1 reason high earners retire broke. The trap feels like progress. New salary, new lifestyle. But here's the truth. You're running on a treadmill that only goes faster. The only way to escape. Decide right now that your lifestyle stays flat while your income grows. I want you to do something right now. Open your phone. Go to your subscriptions. Most Americans find between 8 and 12 recurring charges they completely forgot about. $18 here, $12 there, $7 for an app you used once in 2023. J.P. Morgan research shows the average American wastes over $2,400 a year on forgotten subscriptions. That's $200 a month, silently draining from your future. Over 10 years with compound growth, that's over $60,000. $60,000 gone because you forgot to cancel something. Here's a study that changed how I think about money. Princeton researchers tracked thousands of people and found something devastating. If you don't have a written financial plan, you're 60% more likely to have zero savings by retirement. 60%. And the reason is elegant. Your brain, when it doesn't have a plan, defaults to autopilot, and autopilot buys things. It orders Uber Eats. It clicks add to cart. Every financial decision without a plan is a decision made by your impulses, not your intelligence. A plan isn't about perfection. It's about giving your brain a script to follow instead of panic. Picture this. It's Tuesday. Your car breaks down. The repair costs $1,500. Now here's what the Federal Reserve found. 56% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency without borrowing. Let that sink in. More than half the country, people with jobs, with income, are one flat tire away from debt. And when you borrow at 20% interest, that $1,500 repair becomes a $2,000 problem. The emergency fund isn't about being conservative. It's about refusing to let one bad day destroy a whole year of progress. Let me show you something terrifying. A 20% interest rate on a $5,000 balance means you pay $1,200 per year just in interest. You're not reducing the debt. You're refeeding it. And here's what economics professors teach their students. Debt at high interest rates is the mathematical equivalent of setting your money on fire. Because no investment in the world consistently returns 20%. So every dollar you keep in credit card debt is a dollar guaranteed to lose. The rich don't avoid debt because they are frugal. They avoid it because they understand the math. Warren Buffett said something that took me years to truly understand. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And that's the core difference between wealth and income. Income is trading your time for dollars. Wealth is owning things that generate dollars without your presence. A car loses value. A vacation disappears. But a portfolio of index funds grows while you're sleeping, eating, or watching this video. The question isn't whether you can afford to invest. It's whether you can afford not to. Here's a pattern most people never see. You get paid Friday. By Monday, rent is gone. By Thursday, bills are paid. And for the next 6 days, every purchase triggers anxiety. You check your bank account 3 times before buying gas. This isn't poor money management. This is a neurological stress cycle. And according to the National Endowment for Financial Education, 78% of Americans live inside it. 78%. The goal isn't to earn more so you can spend more. The goal is to earn more so that checking your balance stops hurting. Now we fix this. Elizabeth Warren, before she was a senator, she was a Harvard bankruptcy professor, developed a framework called the 50/30/20 rule, and it's beautifully simple. 50% of your take-home pay covers needs, rent, food, transportation. 30% covers wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. And 20%, this is non-negotiable, goes to savings and investments. On $6,000 a month, that's $1,200 building your freedom. Every month, automatically. This isn't budgeting, this is architecture, and you're designing the life you actually want. The Japanese have a concept called kakebo. It means household ledger, and their philosophy is elegant. You don't save what's left after spending. You spend what's left after saving. Read that again. The moment your paycheck hits your account, before rent, before bills, before anything, 20% moves to an investment account you don't touch. Not a savings account you can drain, an investment account. Automate this, because your willpower is limited, but automation is infinite. And 10 years from now, that one decision will separate you from 90% of people who earn the same salary you did. $100,000 is not the problem. It's more than enough to build real, lasting wealth if you stop being a passenger in your own financial life. So here's your protocol. Tonight, open your bank statements and calculate your actual monthly spending. Tomorrow, set up one automatic transfer to an investment account. And the next day, cancel one subscription you forgot about. 3 days, 3 actions, and you've already rewired your relationship with money. Your future self is being built by what you do after this video ends. Make them proud. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.